cars, each one has a unique license plate. In Sweden it looks like this, 3 letters and 3 numbers. Today I will keep an eye out for license plates that spells a word with the 3 letters. Custom license plate where people pay 700 bucks to have it personalized. And an international license plate, cars from other countries. I can't leave the car until I spot all 3. If I need a bathroom break, they bother. The Swedish government has actually a bad few letter combinations on a license plate. With that in mind, hopefully we find any funny or rare license plates. I think we should start at the dealership. Hang on a second here, we have buy! Our first car! Kinda funny, you know, if you have buy on a fast car, boom! The acceleration, bye bye! Here we have Ford, Skoda, and Volkswagen. No, wait, no, that was not it. Oh, 999! That's kinda cool, you know, it's a number though. I think I found one. We have Pug. So Pug is a dog race. They are kind of cute, you know. License plates. No. Yes. Oh, another one. Save. Yes. So bye, Pug, and yes. This is going great. These are the ones I really want to find. JSN, Cat, Dog, LOL, and Lee, my favorite clothing brand. That would be sick, you know, if we can find Lee. Oh, a private license plate! Skoog, I think. Oh, please get caught on camera. Oh. So we have found a fun license plate, and now a private one. Ooh. Now all JNS. Oh, come on. So close. Just in the wrong order. Oh, that's B! The B movie. It's a good one, you know.
You like jazz?
Oh, Bob? Fun name. My name is Bob.
It's me, Bob.
We got another one. NBA. National Basketball Association. I think it's time to go to the supermarkets, the parking lots. Everybody shopping in the morning. Oh, I see a lot of cars here. Oh, I think I found one. Oh, wait. What? How's that allowed? I just found God 66Y. How's that allowed? That must be a really rare one, right? The God on your car. That's kind of cool, you know. God. Right across the street we have. Oh, we have old. We have PNG. When you're editing photos, we have M7. Okay. Oh, we have Geo. Must be a word, right? Bet. Oh, there's so many! Bet. You know, gambling, all that stuff. A lot of people bet. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Sky. Another one. I think I just need to stay at the parking lot. So many cars come back and forth every minute here. Cap. Oh, we have hay. We had buy, and now we have hay. It's been a good, successful mission so far. The only thing we haven't found yet is an international license plate. That might be the most trickiest one. Ram. That must be a word, right? Ram. Fox! Wait! I just... Wait. Let's go back here. Fox, the animal. So ram, I don't know if that's a word, but fox. What does the fox say? Yeah, going great. I really want to find cat or dog. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Hi grandma. So as I was saying, the best way to find an international license plate is on the highway. But I don't really want to go on there right now. Oh my. Is that even allowed? I'm not gonna say because it's a bad word. How is that allowed? What if a kid sees that? Oh, we are parked? But it was spelled wrong. Okay. I've been thinking about having a personalized custom license plate, a JSN, JSON or something like that. But I can't bring myself to spend $700 for only 10 years as well. Because after that, I have to pay again $700 or they take it back, the license plate. Finally, international one! DR. Is that from Norway? Oh, I can leave the car. Oh, I really need a bathroom break. Oh, 666? What? Another fox? 2 foxes? I'm gonna take a break in the bowling alley. While I was away, the Tesla captured some things. Ready for the road again. Oh, we have Sentry Mode. Sentry Mode is a feature on a Tesla, which means it has cameras all around the car, dash cams you can say, and film everything when you're gone from the car. We have Jab, you know when you're boxing. Okay. And then we have white Zoe car. Okay. It's a company car. The door! Why are you taking jacket off if the door is open? And you're just walking away? Okay. I can't find anything. Oh, that was a close one. And then we have bags too, Jab and bag. They're walking back. No, no, not again! Don't you dare. What are you doing, man? Must be hidden somewhere around here, right? And you're just driving off like nothing happened. Lucky there's no dodging. Why did this all happen to me? Just get out of here. I'm so tired of this. But if there were a scratch or a ding, I have the license plate. The insurance claim shut and done. Or we have Mum, the British way to riding it. I have just seen poo on a car. No. It was going inside. I don't think I can follow it. I need to try. No, it's locked. Ah, I can't go inside. But I just saw poo. Poo on a car. That's too good, you know. How do you come up with this, the Swedish government? Oh, a big truck. Don't come too close. Oh, wait. FCB, Football Club Barcelona, Glory Man United. Oh, we have DHL, the freight company. Never seen your box in DHL. Oh my. Bad on a black BMW. Oh. We have Flu. NHL, ooh, National Hockey League. Then we have got, you know the word, or it stands for Game of Thrones. Oh, URL. You see that? URL, you know, the link to a website. Oh, cow and art. Cow, that's the funny one. There's no way you saw Lee here. No, let's circle around. I promise you that was Lee. Oh, come on, I'm ruining it right now. Oh, that was a gray car, silver maybe. Oh, this freeway here. Straight, right or left. Oh no. How have you gotten away from me? Let's go right, YOLO. Is that Lee? I think it was a gray car. Oh, DK, Denmark, international one. I don't care. Oh, that was Lee in front of the Tesla here. Yeah, Lee! We found it! Oh, it's so beautiful. I have it on my hoodie. I'm just gonna wait for him or she get out of the car so I can film the car. Oh, it was a lady. Thank you so much, lady, for driving to the supermarkets today. We did it! Oh, Lee. Please sponsor me, Lee. I love your clothes. Ever since I was a kid. Tea? A lot of British people drink tea. Mrs. and Gap. I don't have any Gap clothes, I think. Mom? Was that Mom? I think it was. Oh! We have said. You know when you're sleeping? That's kinda cool, you know? Oh, WWE! Wrestling. You can't get away from a Tesla. Oh yes, thank you so much for crossing the road. WWE. Rat? Really? Come on, you can't put that on a car. Oh, another personal one. Kaka. That's a strange name, must be a nickname. Kaka. Oh, lab, I almost didn't see it. You're hiding from me. Oh, 4, I use that word a lot. J, another name. We have USB. Oh, we have egg on a caravan? Oh, that's so good. Bad again? This time on a white BMW. And Ted, the bear.
Hi, I'm Ted.
I've been driving same route all day long. It's getting dark now. Ooh, bat!
I'm Batman.
Oh, be careful, cat. Oh. At night time, the quality is not the best. Wait. Was that... Ho? On a license plate? Nah. I must double check on that one. There's no way they said ho right there. Oh, we have international one. LGBS and then numbers. What country could that be? I think it said D, so maybe Deutschland? Germany? Oh, I can see cops over there. Oh no. Okay. They have stopped someone. Ooh, okay. Let's get out of here. Oh, Ubu. I think I've seen that somewhere on social media. I think that's a meme word. On a bus? Finally home. I'm not sure how to end this video actually. We got Lee. We find many funny ones. Maybe should find a car, the Zoe car that hit my door. I think I know a few places where the township park the cars. In total they have 263 cars. This is the main HQ headquarters. But the Zoe car is not here. But they have few more locations around town. Why are the feds still here? What are they doing? What? Just don't stop me. Don't they have any better thing to do? I couldn't find a car, but I found something better. Much better. You won't believe what I have just seen here. Just look at that license plate. JSN! My name! On a car, what? Is this karma? Everything happens for a reason, right? So, I'm in a business car part here. I can't believe I found my name on a car. Oh, the light. After some back and forth, ta-da! A Toyota. We have a button here. Yeah. Woo! The JSN car. Ooh.